In this video, we're going to explore OneDrive. Specifically, how do you access your OneDrive? How do you create new items within it? What are all the options that are available once you have a file in OneDrive? And where to find your recent files and your shared files. Let's get started.
So let's begin by learning how to access your OneDrive. There are two ways you can do it here in Forsyth County Schools. First off, once you're in ClassLink, if you look for the Office 365 icon, you can find OneDrive there. So if I click on that icon, once Office 365 loads, over on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see all of the applications available for you. The blue cloud is OneDrive. So if you click on that blue cloud, there's your OneDrive account. All of your files and your folders will be found there. Now the second way you can open your OneDrive account is through Windows File Explorer. So if you're on a school laptop, desktop panel, not a Chromebook, you can go to the Windows File Explorer icon, which is just the folder down here on the taskbar. Click on that folder. You're probably familiar with this if you've been with our school district for a long time. This is where you used to go for your H drive. But once you're here, you will see all the available drives that you have, and OneDrive for Forsyth County School System with your name will actually be there. So you can click on that, and once again, there are all your files and there are all your folders.
Now, OneDrive is really just a cloud storage. If you're familiar with Google Drive, it is the exact same thing. It's just Microsoft's cloud storage. So from there, you can save any of your files, you can share any of your files with other people, you can create things straight from your OneDrive. So once you're in here, notice at the top there's a choice for new. So if I would like to start a new document, a new spreadsheet, a new PowerPoint, I could do it straight here from OneDrive. Just click that button and you'll see those choices. So you can click on whichever one you need. It'll launch that application and you can go ahead and create your document or file. Notice there's also the folder option. So if you want to organize your files, you've been working on things, you've been automatically just having Microsoft save it to your OneDrive account, but now you need to go in and organize. You can do new, choose folder, and then you can move files into those folders. So anything you want to create right here from this new tab. Now once you have files and folders within your OneDrive, notice they're just going to be listed here. And for each one of these folders and each one of these files, as you hover over them, you will see some options. So here, the first option I have is to share. So I can share this particular file with people. I can also click on the three vertical dots, and that's going to give me a list of actions that are available for that particular folder or file. So I can open it straight from here. I can preview it. Once again, another share option. I can copy the link to it if I just want to put that in an email, set up who's going to have access to it. I could download the file right here if I need to put it on the hard drive of the computer or a jump drive to take it somewhere. I'm not sure that I'm going to have internet access and I want the file. I can delete it. I can move it. So if you're trying to organize, so I created a folder and I want to move this particular file, I could do move to and then just tell it where I want to move it to within my OneDrive and put it in folders. Additionally, I can copy it to different places, rename it. Version history, if you're familiar with that on Google, if you're collaborating together on a document and you want to see who put in some information or you need to revert back to a previous version, you can do that here with the version history. And then more in details are also options. So just a lot of different things you can do with your files. Two other things I want to point out in your OneDrive over here in this left-hand column. Notice I'm default to my drive where I see all of my files and folders. Right underneath that is recent. So this is your recently worked on documents. So if you're just trying to quickly find something that you worked on, you can click there and then you'll see it listed over here on the right side of the screen. Right under that is your shared folder. So if someone has shared files to you and you can't find where they are, that email's gone, just click here on the shared folder and anything that someone has shared with you will be listed. Just click on it to open it. Unfortunately, this time you cannot organize this, which is a little frustrating, but at least you could search or organize. I can click here by shared by and tell it to put it in alphabetical order, and that might help me find what I am looking for. I have some other sort and find search options as well. I hope this helps you navigate your OneDrive and understand a little bit more about it.